Okay, so this is my first deck. All right. This is the second deck. This is the third deck. And this is the fourth deck. All right. So I'm going to start with this again. Do one more shuffle. Okay. And I'm going to look at it first. Okay. All right. So if you pick this deck, this is your card. This is the Two of Crystals. So the main thing that I'm feeling with this, the energy that I'm feeling with this is the energy of balance. Okay. You have to make sure more than anything, before you move ahead, make sure that you're doing it in balance, that you're taking good care of yourself and not just taking care of everything else. Make sure that everything, like, that you're using your nurturing qualities but also your leadership qualities, opening up the path before you start creating something. So the intention before the manifestation. And also, how do I say this, there may be something inside of you that is seeking for approval or for permission that is external. So watch out for those feelings or wanting to have more confirmation or more proof or more signs that you're good to go. It's not about that. It's about really doing things in balance. So if you feel tired or that you can't do the next step, it's not that you're in the wrong path, it's that you haven't have you're not in balance. Like, you're allowed to rest, you're allowed to take care of yourself, not just take care of the projects or take care of people. You have to find a balance between that, and you also have to find the balance between pushing and being a leader in your life, and also nurture your life, nurture your products, nurture what you're doing, who you're becoming. So think of balance first before you give up because you think something's missing. You don't have permission or you don't have enough proof. Nothing's missing. You have everything. You just need to learn to balance everything. And sometimes it happens with my people that care about others very much. Sometimes they give too much. So I just did a reading with someone, and it reminds me of that because it's almost like there's just things that are going to have to be left undone. Measure your capacity, what things are truly important and what things are, they can wait. Like the dishes can wait, the groceries can wait, laundry can wait. Some things are just going to have to wait, and just be okay with it. Go with what matters the most. Keep moving the wheels. Just do it in balance. Make sure you take care of yourself, and make sure that you are not trying to find in the external confirmation of who you are and how valuable you are. Okay. All right. So let me leave that card here. Now for the next deck. All right. So if you chose this deck, then this is your card. All right. So this is the card of chaos. Let me look at it first. Oh, okay. All right. You are in the middle of it. You really have to put focus into things: what you feel in your heart, what you feel inside you, and what's calling you. Okay, you need to connect the two of them, because outside you or around you or in the path that you're going, you may be seeing the chaos, or you may be seeing the people telling you you shouldn't go that fast, or you shouldn't go there, or it's not safe. You may be hearing the naysayers, or you may be hearing even people that love you that may think that you might get hurt in the path that you're going. But you really have to connect that drive that you have inside you with that light that is calling you, that threat that is calling you. There's something calling you, and the chaos that is happening right now, it has more to do with crossing that threshold to really get to the other side of pain, because you're getting very close. You're getting very, very close. And how do I say this? You're almost getting there. Just think of a marathon when that when they're getting to the finish line. That's when the emotions get higher. When energy starts becoming manifested, energy is very light, and that's why you don't see it. It's very light, but as it becomes ready to manifest, it becomes more dense, more dense. That energy becomes more dense, and people, in the way that they feel it, it's still not tangible, right? It's just more dense. People feel it as an intensity, and sometimes they confuse that intensity with fear. It's just like when people get married, on the day of the wedding, they're feeling very um, nervous, but it's the intensity, because they're crossing that threshold from one life to another life. They're transforming their life, and they're crossing. That's the day that they cross that threshold. So this is a very similar feeling. It's like the things around you may look intense, may look scary, but it's because you're getting there. You're getting to that finish line. But as long as you connect what is driving you inside with what's calling you, what's truly calling you out there, you should be fine. Your focus will be fine, and you will get to the finish line. All right? All right. Let me do this. One more shuffle. All right. So now for the energy here. All right. So if this is the deck you picked, then this is your card, and this is the card of Heartfire. And let me just look at it really close. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So what I'm feeling in this energy, the energy in this card, this is the energy of leadership, the energy of getting things done, the energy of changing mindsets, changing your life, shifting, really, really shifting. But in this card, it's telling me that um, not only you are allowed to celebrate, but also to look at the people that have helped you around this path, and to be with them, the people that are like you, your soulmate. I don't want to say so much your soulmate family, but your comrades, the people that you looked up to. See how much you have grown, and that you are like those people, or that you are in the same path. Really be with those people that help you grow, they help you train, that help you evolve. These are the people that you should be right now, and you should be with right now, and you should feel inside of you how everything that they have helped you with, or everything that I have advised you with, all that information has helped you grow. So I want you to feel that growth and realize you're in the same path. You're just as important as them. They are important in your life, and not to feel that you don't have the resources, or you don't have the right knowledge to continue. It's the opposite. Celebrate how you have come to the place that you are, and realize your growth, and continue that growth together, harmonized, and also supported by these people that have helped you. So what else I want to say with this? Oh, and also the tools. Look at the tools that you have right now that you didn't have before. Look at all the knowledge that you have as tools, the wisdom, all the knowledge, everything you learn, how it has turned into wisdom. These are tools now for you. So really take advantage, leverage on everything that you have learned. Use them as tools and to facilitate what you want to do now, the new projects that you want to do. And always, always, always find for support. You're not meant to do this alone. You can do it with support. Okay. And the third one, the fourth one. Oh wow. Okay. I'm starting to see a theme. Okay. So, what is the energy for the people here? Okay. All right. Oh, if you pick this deck, then this is your card, and the word it says there is commitment. Okay. So a bit similar like the other one. So this is more commitment to you, to really, really honor not just your wishes and needs, but really honor your growth and your life purpose, your soul mission, things that are truly important, things that are truly you, what you came in the world to be. You're being guided. I don't want to say you're being guided. You have been guided in this path, and everything, like all the fights and all the how do I say this? All the difficult situations that you've been, all those wars that you have gone through, have taken you to this place where you should, instead of be licking your wounds, you just celebrate your strength, not just your inner strength that you gain, but also your outer strength. Okay. And it's not that you have a thicker shield, but now you have a discernment about who you are and what you deserve in life. So stand strong and keep moving forward. Have commitment for you, for your dreams, for what you came in this world to be. And in the same way that you went through those battles and you came out, with success, that will continue. You should not see confrontation as an issue. You should see confrontation as a place where you get to grow. You get to realize different strategies that you can use for your life to make your life better. So all these battles that you have fought, you have, in many ways, you have won. You either gain new knowledge, or you gain new friends, or you gain new tools, or you gain new places. You gain something. So really focus on that so that you can honor the person you have become and stand strong in your place. Be committed to your projects, to your dreams, to who you truly are. Okay. All right. And now when I put all these together, so entering the month of May, the energy that I'm seeing is really the energy to be confident in you, confident in your growth. Don't think that anything is missing. Don't focus on the chaos around you. If this person is going through a difficult situation, they have to learn their lesson. If this group of people are going through very difficult situation, they have to gain something from that. If you are being given direction to go in a specific direction, you don't have to measure your success based on what's happening to those people. That chaos that is outside is not inside you unless you let it come into your life. So keep moving straight and definitely arm yourself with people that will support your path. And main thing is to make yourself important. You are in this place right now, and from here you can grow in a different way. Okay, you are not in the place of the past when you were more immature or you were more naive. You're in a place of growth. You have grown this much, and from here you get to grow in a different way. So really honor that. You have nothing missing, you're not lacking anything. You have you. and you are a very strong asset. Okay? All right.